So the last piece that I want to put in here around the unknown is that one of the things that we can do with our clients around this is to help make the unknown known. It's a great little phrase, right? Make the unknown known. So that can look like so many things. Everything from when we first meet with a client and do an intake. How do we help them understand the process? How do we help them understand the expectations? How do we help them understand timing? It also speaks to when we look over at the clock and we recognize we have 10 minutes left. It's really jarring to our clients to all of a sudden hear, oh, we're out of time. Right? So how do we mindfully help them understand what's coming next? With our child clients, how do we introduce them to the whole concept? Because usually we're doing an intake with the parents. So what do we do to help orient them into the process?